And of course, another interesting fact. There is IMEI number and it is started to hit again. Here is IMEI number of the phone. It is 8634250129897, and the IMEI number on the box I have received is absolutely the same. It is 843486342501211 not 11 967 and here is the box of my phone that I have posted to you, and IMEI number of my phone was 863425011510241, and it means that I have received another phone because it has different numbers, IMEI numbers. Okay.